In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut and plane down the bottom of your door if it's catching your floor. If these open inwards and you're raising the floor up by applying a tile adhesive and then a tile on top, you may not be able to get the door open. When I look under here now, I've probably only got about 6 millimeters. So if I put one tile there, straight away, I know it's not going to open, and that hasn't even got any tile adhesive below it. So what I would do here is push your door shut, push your tile right up against it. You can see there is no gap. I'm going to get a second tile now, which is about 10 millimeters thick, which will allow for your bed of adhesive. And then I'm going to take my pencil, draw a little line right the way across there, move the tiles, and you can see that's probably about 16 or 18 millimeters that has to be cut off the bottom of the door. First of all, you have to remove the door, so unscrew the hinges from the frame. I'm using 2 workbenches the same height to place my door on. I'm going to clamp these down from both ends so they don't move. Using a straight edge, I'm drawing over my line so I can see it a little bit more clearer. Pop a dust mask on and some safety specs. I'm using an 18mm circular saw to cut the piece off the bottom of my door. Line it up into position, hold it nice and steady, and cut it nice and slowly. This will give you a nice clean cut. If you don't have a circular saw, you can do this with a handsaw. And a blade this size can easily get through a 44mm door. Once it's cut, you're going to need to sand the edge off. Now you can use a power sander like me, or you can use a hand sander. This will smooth any splinters off the cut edge. Now it's cut down to size, unclamp it, then you can rehang the door. Now of course the hinges are going to go back in the right place. If you don't have anyone to help you lift the door up into position, you might need to wedge it up and drive those screws back firmly into the frame. Place your 2 tiles down on the floor just to make sure you've got the clearance over the top of the tiles. Perfect. Now whatever type of flooring you choose, whether it's laminate, engineered, real wood, or tiles like this, it could potentially raise the height of your floor. So I hope this tip has helped you out. So if you're looking for more top tiling tips, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, Tile Mountain.